Hi students, how are you? I hope doing well. So welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes, class 9th, topic solution, assignment number 14. So I will explain first question. See students, read question carefully. Concentrated sulfuric acid is approximately 18 molar, 5 cubic centimeter of it is added to make 500 cubic centimeter of the solution. The approximate normality of the solution will be. So first of all, write what is the given information, write on that board. See, what is the given information? So 18 molar, so here molarity is given. Molarity of H2SO4 is 18 molar, and here volume also given. So what is the volume? V1 equal to 5 cubic centimeter is added to make 500 cubic centimeter of the solution. V2 also given. How much? 500 cubic centimeter. Then find the normality of the solution. N2 is given. They are asking N2. So what is the given information? Molarity is given, V1, V2 is given, they are asking N2. So how molarity is converted into normality? There any formula? So see, normality equal to N into molarity. Normality equal to N into molarity, where N is indicate acidity for base, basicity for acid, charge on cation or charge on anion for salts. So here what is the given information? They are given H2SO4. So what H2SO4 is a acid. It is a dibasic acid. So what is the basicity of H2SO4? It is basicity is 2. So normality equal to 2 into 18, then 36. N1 equal to 36. So what is the information here? N1 also you know, V1 also you know, V2 also you know. You want to find N2. So N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. Then N2 equal to N1 V1 by V2. So N1 how much? 36. And V1 how much? 5 by V2 how much? 500. 1 ja 100 ja 36 by 100 equal to 0.36. So option 3. Next question. See that what is the next question. The volume of water to be added to 10 cubic centimeter of 0.5 normality of H2SO4 to the decinormal concentration is. So how much amount of water to be added? 0.5 normal to 0.1 normal. So see what is the given information? The volume of water to be added. So V1 is given. How much? 100 cubic centimeter. And normality also given. N1 equal to 0.5 normality. And N2 also given 0.1 normality. Then you have to calculate V2. So N1 V1 equal to N2 V2, then V2 equal to N1 V1 by N2. So what is N1 here? 0.1. So what is N2 here? What is V1? 100 by what is here? N2 is 0.1. Sorry here. So where N1 equal to 0.5. N1 equal to 0.5. Then calculate 1 ja 5 ja 500 cubic centimeter. So V1 equal to 100, then Vt equal to 500. How much amount of water added? So then you can find the water is added to the V2 minus V1. 500 minus 100, 400 cubic centimeter. Answer option 1. Next, third question. See that the volume of 0.1 molarity of H2SO4 required to neutralize completely 40 ml of 0.2 molarity of NaOH solution is. So what is the given information? See that the volume of 0.1 molarity of H2SO4. So molarity of H2SO4 given. How much? 0.1 molar. So how it will be converted into normality? So H2SO4 is a dibasic acid, means its basicity is 2. So normality equal to 2 into 0.1, so 0.2 normality, and that volume also given. This is N1, and volume also given. V1 equal to, you don't know, and V2 equal to 40 ml, then N2 equal to 0.2 molarity. 0.2 molarity. Then here also calculate. Here also molarity is given. Then molarity is converted into normality. So here base, no, it is a monobasic acid. Its STT is 1. So normality equal to 1 into 0.2 normality. So N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. So what is the N1? 0.2. And what is the V1? X. What is the N2? N2 is 0.2. And what is the V2? Volume is 40 ml. Then find 0.2 into 40 by 0.2, and X equal to 40 ml. So how much amount of water? The volume of the water is V1 equal to 40 ml. Next, fourth question. The normality of 5 molar sulfuric acid is. The normality of 5 molar sulfuric acid is. See that here molarity is given. Molarity of H2SO4, sulfuric acid formula H2SO4 is 5 molar. Then calculate normality. So normality equal to N into molarity. So where N is indicate basicity for acid. So what is the basicity of H2SO4? 2. So 2 into 5, normality is 10. Option 4. Option 4. Next, last question. The normality of 0.98% weight by volume H2SO4 solution is. We have to calculate normality of 0.98% weight by volume of H2SO4. So what is the given information? 0.98% weight by volume is 0.98 grams of weight of H2SO4 is dissolved in 100 ml of water. See that. 0.98 grams of H2SO4 dissolve in 100 ml of water, 100 ml of solution. So here what is the given information? Weight is given 0.98 0.98 and volume also given 100 ml. And what is the gram equivalent weight of H2SO4? Gram equivalent weight of H2SO4, gram molecular weight by basicity. Basicity is 249. So normality formula, normality equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V in ml. So weight equal to 0.98 and the gram equivalent weight 49 into 1000 by volume 100. So 9.8 by 49, 0.2. The option 0.2 normality. I hope you understood well. Thank you students. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you students.